Good morning guys, it's me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro US dollar and the precious metal gold. Guys, taking a look at the 1 hourly time frame of the precious metal gold, the gold is not moving a lot. Like it's been trading sideways in between a very narrow range of like 1788 level, and on the lower side the lower range is 1782. While it seems like investors are looking for some solid reason to trigger a breakout. Anyways, if you guys recall, we were expecting a bullish breakout because the market was trading above 50 pairs exponential moving average. There was a bullish breakout or the bullish crossover on the MACD, while the RSI was also holding above the 50 level. And we can also see that there is a bullish pattern here, which is known as three white soldiers, which is suggesting that the buying trend is dominant in the market. But right now, as you can see here, this is a double top level. Market has tested 1788 for the second time now, and this level is going to extend a very solid resistance to the precious metal gold. However, for with that being said, market can show us a bearish bias, and after that we can expect a continuation of a bullish trend in the precious metal gold. Right now, the reason why I am expecting a bearish trend in the market is, let me show you why I am expecting a bearish bias. First thing first, we have a bearish setup here. Although we have a bullish, this is called like bullish engulfing candle, and it's sort of a tweezer stop pattern, which is suggesting that the bearish bias is dominant. Secondly, once again we have a tweezer stop pattern here, which is also suggesting that the bearish bias is dominant right now, or it seems like investors are getting exhausted and sooner or later we can expect a retracement in the market. So with that being said, we can apply a Fibonacci retracement here. So the chances are that the market is likely to drop down at least until 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, which is 1780 level, and below this market can like if market violates the 38.2% level, the market can also go after 61.8% level, which is somewhere around 1776 level. So we can say that the very strong support that we can feel that gold can face is likely to be around 1776 level. So above this, we can expect a continuation of a bullish trend in the market. So if you want to know where the where exactly the this bullish bias can lead the gold prices, and in order to do that we have to form a reverse Fibonacci, and as soon as we form a reverse Fibonacci, the target that we can expect gold to meet is going to be somewhere around 161.8% extension, which is and the next target is going to be somewhere around 1794 level. So this is going to be a next resistance level for the precious metal gold, but for now we have to keep an eye on 38.2% retracement as well as 61.8% retracement, because if market is holding above these levels, there is going to be a very nice buying opportunity in the market. Now let's look at the Euro US dollar. Guys, taking a look at the Euro US dollar, it is also forming like it was also entering in the overbought zone. Therefore we have to form a Fibonacci retracement here, and as you can see here, the market is market has already completed 23.6% retracement, while on the lower side the next retracement is somewhere around 38.2% retracement, falls around 1.1296 level. And above this, this was a symmetric triangle pattern. If I zoom out in order to show you guys, so since this was a symmetric triangle pattern, and this has already been violated, so we can expect market to show us further buying trend in the on the higher side. Market should go after at least 1.1380 level, but before that, as I said, the market is in the overbought zone, and right now the odds of bearish retracement seems higher. So we can expect the market to drop from this particular level to this particular level, and again another drop can be seen until 50% retracement level, because below this there is going to be a downward trend line which is likely to extend support. So we can expect support until 38.2%. However, if that level gets violated, which is very unlikely, however, we never know about how market is going to behave. But anyways, if market violates 38.2%, keep an eye on 50% or 61% or the area about around 1.1275 level, because above this we can expect a continuation of a upward trend, and that upward trend can lead towards 1.1380 level. So guys, that's all for now. I hope you like the forecast, and I hope you enjoyed the previous forecast as well, because lately the market is not moving a lot, but whenever it moves, it is moving as per our forecast. So yeah, comment below about anything else you want to learn about the market, or you want to know about the market, and do like the video, do share it with your friends, and I see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye everyone.